Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Oida's kitchen. Well, today I'm going to make some authentic rice and peas, Jamaican style or my style. And here I have my red peas that has been soaked with pimento seed and garlic, and I have my season that I'm going to use in my rice and peas. And then I have my coconut that I'm going to grate up. Yes, so I'm going to put this now to cook. So I'm going to add my red peas and I'm going to allow this to cook. So I'm going to add some salt. Hold on. More water. Yes, and then I'm going to allow this to boil up, and then I'm going to throw some more water on it to sink the peas. So guys, alright, you see why I have to throw the cold water on it now, so all of the peas can go down. So my peas, I'm going to allow it now. Alright guys, so my peas are cooked now, so what I'm going to do now is to grate my coconut, and I'm not using no pressure cooker today, no blender. I'm just doing it the old school. You have to be careful with the grater because this grater is very sharp. And you know the piece is going to take a longer time to cook. So I'm just going to start preparing my milk. So guys, this is my last piece of coconut, so I'm going to start now to juice my coconut. You have to be careful of your fingers, you know, because the grater is very sharp. So I'm going to juice my coconut. And guys, my hands are clean. I'm going to juice this one more time. So this is my milk prepared for my rice and peas. Okay. I'm going to juice it one more time, but I'm not going to show you. So guys, I just check on my peas, but alright, this still needs to cook maybe like an hour more. So I'm going to leave it and allow it to cook. Alright guys, after an hour, yes, my peas is almost cooked, so I'm going to add my coconut milk inside here. Yes, I'm gonna allow the coconut milk to finish cooking with the peas. Alright guys, after 15 minutes of adding my coconut juice, I'm gonna add my seasoning to my pot, which is my thyme, my scallion, and my scotch bonnet pepper. Okay. I'm gonna add some brown sugar. You don't have to use this, but I'm using it. I'm adding some brown sugar, just a taste. And I'm also gonna add some salt, some more salt. So I'm gonna let this cook for maybe like 5 minutes and season to cook out, and then I'm going to add my. So guys, I'm washing my rice. You can wash your rice 3 or 4 times because you want the water to get clear. Alright guys, I'm gonna add my rice now. Oh God. Yes, I'm going to leave this to cook. Okay guys, so I'm going to put a piece of foil over my rice so it could steam properly. Just hold on a minute. You could do it like this, so to chop all the hair inside. And I'm going to turn on my stove and let it steam. Alright guys, so my rice finished steam. So I'm going to take out my I'm gonna share some now so you guys can see how it really looks. Alright, pull up your hand please. Here's my finished product guys. Real Jamaica authentic rice and peas from Oida's Kitchen. Please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.